He's not going to form up on the grid.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh.
Joe Spencer, number 7, and Graham Tilley, number 80 on the second area. But that doesn't mean at the end of the green flag that we won't pull into the kick, does it?
Oh yeah, of course. I've got back at that.
Yeah, I just gauge grade.
So the other option to go for is you can start at the front, pull out as far as you can, but when you get to half distance you've got to basically come in and do a stop go.
Yeah.
And see if you can still win.
So 20 minutes plus 1 lap, which last time gave us 13 laps. Slowly forming up.
I think it's got to be one of the biggest club racing crowds that I've seen here this year.
It's the weather brings them out. And don't forget, it is our penultimate race meeting of the year. We've got one more race meeting in a fortnight's time, the RSCG Fun Cup. I think we'll probably look forward to that as well. And if you're not been to a Fun Cup, don't think it's a boring race, because it's a 4-hour race and anything can happen. Because we have pit stops, change of drivers, it's a tactical race and always interesting. After that we've got the rally stages, and I think that's a week further on than advertised in the programme. Check out on the BARC website for the data about stage rally. It's just still forming up. Green flag. Right, back forward.
You actually, as well as starting from the pit lane, you ensure you have committed to the start of that.
Try and lap the whole field. Probably challenge second step. Unless he's going to start from the pit lane because he feels it's safer. He's coming down as though he is. I think he's going to start from the pit lane. He's going to start boxing now. He's going like, yeah, he's going to start from the pit lane. Sensible move, he's not happy because he was in the, he's not in the back. Yeah, so green flag at the back. Red lights are about to go on.
the inside, but it wasn't quite close enough, but so I look up the hill from and we're both going to have to be aware of Ringwood now. I think Graham, or both of them just went through anyway. And we'll have to explain the word next to the hill.
Spencer, second place, I think we're ready up to the third place. And Simon in the lead is, let's have a look, where are we? 8.85 seconds. Fastest lap on the last lap, to Simon Allaway, and 1.5 points. Fastest lap to Ringwood, the big say, the 141, so it doesn't look like it'll be sleek.
Number 46, Brian King, quite a step up there.
It's about with us, so he's made another place.
12 for it, yeah, absolutely. Crawling is way dramatically up through the field. Trying to see, does that mean that we have probably the first race of the lap? Now, Ringwood is closing dramatically on tunnel 7. And I don't think he's going to be this lap before he's able to get past Spencer. That's my forecast. And sorry. So there's followed by another 6 cars behind the Ringwood car.
Second is 9 seconds, and that second place man is Ringwood, but he dropped back a second on that last lap. I think that's just with Joe Spencer in the pit. Looking at the kneeling down in front of it. Hope he's not left us gear.
Or he's praying to it. Come on, work for Ringwood, let's start from the back. No black or an orange load of track behind him.
Right, whether or not he's got something stuck in the radio.
Well, Ringwood's got a lot of back markers at the moment between him and our leader Simon Allaway. Go second. So well done there.
Right, out again goes Joe Spencer. What can he do? He's got 11 minutes remaining plus a lap. He's going to join way down. He's going to join in about.
Not able to put pressure on Oulton Cross on that great lap. That's got a check just behind that. Now
Goes through. Got about 6 back marks to Ringwood. That gap's come down by another 3 seconds, 3.9. So another lap after this, and I think we might see a change of race leader. A 142.9 nothing to go. Not bad considering all the traffic that's out. 80 and 42 go through. In third and fourth place we have Tilly, and 42. Not Chile.
And I think it's fair to say,
Drop down. Yeah, drop down.
probably about 3 laps left.
3 laps, probably 4 including this one.
Yeah. Interestingly, I didn't think that Richmond was any closer to this Simon Allaway. It's only going to possibly...
Yeah.
That's kind of more than compared to last time. There's a 6 almost bigger maybe.
6.9 I think, so he's sort of...
Yeah, it's the like probably involved in. Yeah, it probably is that a little bit closer, seeing him actually screen past the back marker there. As Simon Allaway has now made his way through it, he's now through the route. Wow, definitely. Top of Play Hill, so he is definitely closer, but as they came down towards Cascades it just looked like it stretched out ever so slightly, but that's the joy of that part of the track, is that they, it can be very deceptive. Right on the back, when he stops 2 car back, flail out to the side and make a move into he don't know the word of patience, there's no question about that, he does it at the right time. Intriguingly, he's got his hands back, I'm sure that's not the case. He's going to be putting pressure. I think there's even a chance that by the time I'm just looking to my right now to see this fantastic 3rd, 4th, 5th place battle as well. Still just about Graham Tilley, but they were looking to make the move there. Philip Duncan not quite on.
Right, that marker, nothing in. Headlights are available. Nothing in the mouth.
I don't know whether it went right or it went over the rest of the hill. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Because it's the other side of the top of the hill.
Just stopping them at the top of Deersley. We've done 75% of the race. I'd be surprised if we rerun it for what's left, 2 minutes and a lap, 4 minutes.
It's a shame that, because you could see that it did quite a lot. I mean, it was almost a slow motion accident, to be honest with you, in the fact that he just spun it, obviously where he'd gone light, and he's probably on the power, because like you said, he'd just done the fastest lap, he was clearly going for it on the power, just spun it round and took it to the outside of the circuit, into the tyres, and it just damaged to one side, and he was out of the car, bounded over the tyres, not just to the tyres, but over the tyres, and you know, obviously they're up there looking at him, but obviously they do that as a matter of course, so such a shame, because I think he still hadn't managed to get past Simon Allaway.
No, Simon came through.
It was looking odds on it, as you know, but in fairness, we've been saying that for a couple of laps, so Simon was doing an outstanding job holding him off at that stage. I didn't quite see exactly what had happened, but at the same time, over at the Cascade side, we had the battle with Graham Tilley, Philip Duncan, and Carmen, back mark. There seems to be some kind of sandwich going on there.
Well, I think that's the way it goes towards Park Survey.
We've still got Simon Allaway going it up, I think.
Yeah. Get a result for that, mate. Get a result for the car as well, but I don't think we're doing it. Close racing. Yeah, leave that one.
Who else have we got here? Where's your hat as well?
What enables us to go racing and go watching.
Leave a second. Who else have we got here?
Me.
Sorry?
Put your suit on properly. Take.
You're third. Right, what would you get a hat?
Cracking that open later.
Stephen? There you go. Oh, he's... Oh, yes, Carl. Well done. Well done. And Stephen?
I think that feature pre-search you
I need to check the results.
there you go, there's the results. So, Dennis was second in his class. So that makes you champion, sir. Not a bad day, you were uncertain whether it was going to last in this last race, were you? Yeah, to be honest.
John, is that trophy mine?
Sorry?
Is that trophy mine for third?
No. Unless you're in class F. I'm 99% sure.
Shame it's gone out the way he's gone out. He might actually beat him.
I'll come round. I'm going to get the points. I just need to wait for 30 minutes.
It was a good race, and yeah, Rick looks like he's done a bit of damage to his car, doesn't he?
Yeah, but he's out of car. He looks all right.
Yeah, he's out.
No, we don't know.
Oh, just charge the customers for it. Thanks very much to all these CNCs. You've given us some great racing this year.
I looked for you, but you weren't there, so I haven't forgotten you. Come
You're
on.
back next year, Simon.
No, sorry.
Right, thank you very much. Give me the results. On the way for
Mine?
number 6 on the side. Well done, we look forward to seeing you next season.
Yeah, no, it's been a really good year, and talked about a good scrap with Dennis today. He'd already peeled his number 1 off and stuck it on with his split, so thanks to Dennis. But yeah, it's been a good year, good championship again, and got John to kind of make sure it all runs smoothly. So it's been really good. So yeah, really enjoyed it. Might get a little bit drunk tonight.
Right, fair enough. Dennis, good championship, well done. Not quite
crying
this year.
now.
You're crying, you look sad, you look sad. But fairly won, wasn't it?
It was, well, I can put it this way. Simon has been doing it a long while and he certainly deserves it.
Yeah.
You know, and I couldn't give it number 1 to anybody any better.
Yeah, so you're going to get back next year, yeah?
I intend doing.
Yeah.
I intend doing, but again, the way Simon's got that car going down, he's going to set some beating.
Right. Many thanks, Dennis and
Thank you.
Simon.
You know something I don't know.